how to create a monitor in AQS. Again, go ahead, Mike. Whoops, we'll go back to this.
Oh,
Stage
yeah.
Again.
Yep. Let's walk through the training. Yeah, it's gonna be the same thing. So same maintain. You'll click monitor. You're gonna launch the video, Michael. It'll walk you through that same stuff. So on the AQS website, like I said before, it's right below the creating a site. And just to give everyone a heads up, the way those e-learning things are laid out is kind of to help walk you through the process you would do if you were kind of coming on board, like learning how to log in, learning how to batch load, learning how to create a site, how to create a monitor, just kind of walk you through all the basic necessary things. All right, same thing with when you click on the maintain, you click on monitor, same thing, you want to go ahead and cancel the query mode, and then you'll start plugging in your information here. Yep. You can go ahead and progress, Michael.
Okay, I just clicked on the next one here.
Yep, you can cheat by just clicking the next button. So you'll enter the state code again, and then just have go to the county code. And like Chris had said earlier, that when you open it up in tribal mode, it is going to be a little different. So you will have your tribal code that you will plug in there. And then you'll just walk through, just like we did last time, you'll enter your site. Here you're going to enter the parameter code that is going to be specific to what you're collecting. And then the POC field, for those of who are relatively new, this is a number that you create. There isn't anything specific. So if you just have the 1, it'll just be, you can have it as 1, or you can have it as 2, or you can have it as 7, whatever you want. It's not, it doesn't mean anything other than it helps you designate what it is you're doing here. All right, and this is just specific information that you're going to be filling in here relating to your monitor. I think you're on like probe height, yep. Horizontal distance, vertical distance. You can go ahead and keep clicking through, Michael.
It's a little lag time, I believe, behind.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It's a little lag time, but we'll catch up with you guys here. So I'm just kind of clicking through these here for you guys to see.
Yep. So as you move on, you notice that on the right-hand side there are more tabs which will open up new forms for more information to fill in. I want to stress one thing: when you're putting in the dates, there's going to be several fields where you're going to be putting in dates. Make sure your dates are the same in all the fields, because it will give you problems if you missed a digit somewhere or transposed a digit somewhere. So this is the begin date when you're opening up your monitor. You're going to have a monitor type, and also the same begin date here. There's the different selections of what type of monitors you can put in. Yep, so that begin date should be the same as that sample period begin date that you plugged in earlier. Then you're going to have agency roles. You know, what different agencies are doing different things. And it could be all, your agency could be doing all the things. Just make sure you plug them all in there. And the same thing, begin date should be the exact same date. So it'll walk you through the necessary ones. What you're having here is the agency roles. It'll walk you through the ones you need to have in to make sure you have those in there.
Hey, Mike, I'm just going to go through all these really quick so they can see. Okay, so we're going to just cruise through. Whoops, went a little ahead, but.
That's okay. No, so you saw the 4.
Moving on to
in there, yep. And then you're going.
Saw the 4 there, guys.
Yep. And again, same date. Got to make sure those dates are the same. Monitor objectives. So the purpose of measuring the air quality data by the monitor, it's required. So what's the purpose of it? And same thing, you just walk through. And then your method code, so the method that you're using. And again, the same, I can't stress it enough, the same date. Make sure you have the same date. And that's it. You've just created a monitor.
Yep.